Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I will show you about RealMe UI, and the ROM is ported from RealMe Narzo 20A and the ROM is ported by Ajiz Shah and some more. So I hope you understand that something will be specially waiting for us. So let's see. This room I was used from previous day, and I already used many things, many items, and already checked everything, but this room was performed good in my opinion. So let's see. At first check the app opening speed. Okay, so you see that app opening speed is quite good. Just don't complain for me, just quite good, you see already. So let's see the status bar. You see already it's quite good, everything is here. If you see that everything is here, you will find everything here. Okay, so we have no Wi-Fi today, that's why I can't check it. Hotspot plus Wi-Fi same time, so you will check it by yourself. Okay, so let's see the settings. If you see the settings here, everything you will be see. If you go the SIM cards and mobile data, here everything is fine, not any issue here. If you see the Wi-Fi sections, here everything is fine, not any problem here. Okay, if you see the Bluetooth, here everything is fine, not any bug here. If you see the other wireless connections, here everything is fine, but here a bug, that is cast is bug here, but don't worry. In this next build I hope it's fixed by porter, so don't worry about that. If you see the notification and status bar, here everything is fine. If you see the status bar, you can customize these things. Swipe down, unlock screen for notifications drawer, display data, users and notification drawer, everything is here. Manage notification, you will see that. If you see the time sections, show hours and minutes, if you click that, see seconds is invisible. Okay, so if you see it again, show hours, minutes and seconds, if you click in here, you will already see by seconds. Okay, if you see the show battery percentage in a status bar, here every options here, you will check it right now. If you see the notification purport status icon, here everything is fine, not any issue here. If you see the display and brightness, here everything is fine. Auto brightness is working finely, dark mode is working finely, eye comfort is working finely, auto rate is already work. Okay, everything is work. Font size, display size, screen display, everything is working finely. If you see the home screen and lock screen magazine, home screen mode, if you want then standard mode, simple mode to apply it in your opinion. Okay, I'm choose the drawer mode because I don't like it. Display keyboard when entering app drawer, if it enable, then see that when we go there, search bar is automatically enable. Okay, so I want to off. Lock screen, layout, show app suggestion, app drawer, add apps to home screen layout, everything is fine. App animation speed is fast, I already selected. Swipe down to home screen, if you select in search, then I will check it. You see that when you swipe down, then come here the search options. Need the notification drawer, you see that. I hope you understand. Double tap to lock is already working finely, see that. You see that double is working finely, don't worry about that. So let's see the another things. I hope you understand that. So if you see the display update dot say theme, many themes here, if you want them changed. By default you will see 2 themes here. Okay, if you want then customized and download by yourself. Set wallpaper, everything is working fine. Sound vibrations, here everything is fine, not any bug here. Okay, real sound technology. Here everything is work. If you connect the Wi-Fi, sorry, I mean 3.5 mm jack, that means headphone jack, earphone jack, then it's enabled. Okay, so don't worry. So let's see the do not disturb. If you want, then active by here. If you want anyone don't disturb you, then want to enable it. Okay, fingerprint and pulse, face and password. Here you only use the lock skin. Okay, add fingerprint, add face, it's not working in this room. I hope the porter will fixed in this next build. Don't worry about that. If you see the smart service here, I don't know what is options, why he giving these options. You will try yourself, then tell me in this comment sections. Okay, if you see the convenience tools, navigation buttons, if you want, then change it. You see that virtual buttons. Yeah, everything is fine, everything is working finally, not any bug here. If you see the acid bell, everything is work. A smart slide bar, it is, yes, you see that a smart slide bar, it's another awesome features in this ROM. Okay, gestures and motions, everything is here. If you see the privacy here, everything is fine. If you see the location here, everything is fine. If you see the security here, everything is fine, not any bug here, everything is quite good. If you see the battery, I was used this ROM from previous day, and in my opinion it's a good ROM for battery backup. It's awesome, and this ROM from every side is quite good, but just fingerprint, face and cast, here $3, but everything is without $3, everything is fine. Okay, so don't worry about that. Then language region, if you see the language, many members will ask me what's the language here, so let's check the language. Okay, everything I will check it right now for you. See the language, this language here. If you want, then changed. I hope here all language maybe finish. I hope you understand. Then go to additional setting. If you show the storage options here, date and time, process manager, screenshot, here everything is fine. Screen recording is here already, you see already. Video resolution high 1080p plus 60 mbps is already working fine. Search, download, user guide, here everything is fine. If you want to enable OTG, then here are options. You see already OTG connection. If you enable in, then connect your OTG, then it will work fine. Okay, app cloner is already working here. If you see the split screen is already working here. Split screen is working how? Wait, I will showing you. If you see that, just 3 finger up. Sorry, wait, I am showing you. You see that? You see that here is done by split screen. Okay, I hope you understand that. So it's done, I will showing you already. So user and accounts, we will add account here perfectly, don't worry about that. RealMe lab, smooth scrolling. If we see that, just enable in these options, then your scrolling will be more than okay. So here are good options. Super nightmare standby, if you enable it, you see that was one thing. Just see this. Your phone will consume less power at night when idle. The network connection and sensors will also consume less power and app background activities will be reduced. However, there may be delays in receiving messages. Okay, I hope you understand that what here he says. I want to turn off. Okay, if you want to turn on, then on these options. Okay, so I hope I will showing you everything here. So let's see the volume panel. If you see that volume panel like that, here's a stylish. I hope you understand. And its power button, you see that. Wait, you see that if you down, then power off. If it's up, then restart. I hope you understand that. Oh wait, I will unlock my device. So I hope you understand that everything. So let's see down to the benchmark score. You see that 1,59,152. It's quite good score because here not enable FTFS service. Okay, if it enable FTFS service, then here the score run 165 or 66, 67. That's it. Okay, so I hope you understand that. If you go the Magic Manager, I will showing you the safety net. Yes, you will see that here the success. By default you will see the success, so don't worry about that. So let's see the Play Store, device is certified or not. In this room by default you will show the device is certified, so don't worry about anything. Don't worry about banking apps. I will showing you the banking apps. Wait, you see that banking apps is work finely. Don't worry about any banking apps. Okay, so let's see the Gcam. Yes, you see that Gcam is working finely. Portrait is working fine. Night sight is working finely. Okay, don't worry about anything. You see that video will be work finely. Slow motion 180x by is working finely. 140x is working finely. So I hope you understand that everything. So let's see the another things that was CPU J. I will check it. The ROM. You see that 2.21 gigahertz, that means our ROM is overclocked, so don't worry, just speed in this ROM. Okay, so let's see the disk info. My device is FTFS enabled or not. You see that cache is FTFS, but data file system is ext4. That means our ROM is not enabled FTFS service because this ROM not supported FTFS service. That's why we can't enable FTFS service. If you enable FTFS service, then our ROM is crashed. That's why we'll not want to enable FTFS service. Okay, so let's see the PUBG. I don't want to play PUBG right now because I will play many times here. Okay, so leave it. Just I will check it the PUBG graphics. Okay, the ROM is too smooth in my opinion. The ROM is too much faster in another ROMs. If you see the graphics, then see that smooth plus high, balance plus high, HD plus high. Here not enabled the 90 fps. Okay, because here no need 90 fps because here smooth plus high is working too much perfectly. That's why here no need to 90 fps. So don't worry about anything, just playing smoothly in this room. Already I will play it in Clash of Clans, but I don't want to play right now. It's working finally. I will check it everything. Okay, so don't worry about that. So I will check everything, I hope. So goodbye for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.